Hey everybody, just a really quick one. Remember I bought this carburetor on Amazon. That was supposed to be the right one. It's a copy of a Nikki. I think it was a Nikki carburetor. Didn't work. So I went and got an original equipment, Briggs and Stratton original carburetor. I don't remember what the name is, but I've already put it on. It's a little bit different. It's got a different fuel inlet and a different shutoff backfire solenoid, but all the linkage is the same. You can see right there, it's got the Briggs and Stratton emblem. And let's go ahead. There's absolutely no adjustment on this carburetor at all. And let's choke it. Running absolutely beautiful. So I guess don't buy the aftermarket carburetors. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the and more part of the channel.